Hey folks! Napanood ko na ang first 2 episodes ng Vigilante, starring Nam Joo-yu. Like what the title says, he punishes those who did not get the rightful judgment after nila wasakin yung buhay ng iba. Episode 1 pa lang, it was established that the man who unalived his parents did not get the proper punishment. Kaya, he did the parusa himself. He actually gave chances to perpetrators to actually redeem themselves by apologizing sincerely. But gusto nilang panindigan yung kasamaan nila. So, bye-bye na lang sila sa world. Oh, the catch here, by the way, is that his character, Kim Ji-young, is actually a police student who's very good in judo. Episode 2 establishes the public and a certain TV network's interest in him as a shadowy figure ng hustisya at nagagalit sila kung bakit gusto hulihan ng pulis ang vigilante. Nakakatulong nga siya sa victim. I find the first 2 episodes interesting and fast-paced, but the plot, medyo hindi siya bago for me kasi nga kakatapos lang halos ng The Killing Vote, and yung The Killing Vote deals with a similar topic, which is yun nga, pagpaparusa sa mga nakatakas sa justice system. Of course, this is a very socially relevant drama because kino-call out niya nga yung justice system na hindi nagpaparusa sa masasama ng maayos. So, actually, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas yung reklamo natin na yung justice system hindi ganong nakakatulong sa mamamayan at minsan yung biktima pa yung kawawa kasi they live in fear of retaliation. Itong Vigilante, naka-line up din ito sa Disney Plus. So, I expect more in terms of action scenes and gore kasi mahilig talaga sa gore. Mag-feature ang Disney Plus ironically ng may gore sa kanila. And because this is also under Studio N. Now, yung Studio N kasi yan, arm talaga siya ng webtoon producer. I mean, production arm siya for movies and K-drama. Then, yung mga na-produce niya na okay is Golden Spoon, You Miss Cells, See You in My 19th Life, True Beauty, Sweet Home, no? Kasi season 2 na. So, yeah, maganda track record niya. So, feeling ko pag pinagpatuloy ka naman panoorin to, if kakayanin ang schedule ko, dahil marami pa magpe-premiere, I would not be wasting my time. No?